Start with a slip knot. Then make chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now slip stitch in the first chain to form a ring. Now work for first round. First make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 23 double crochet in the center of the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So continue up to end. It will turn total 24 double crochet including this first chain. So here I have completed the first round. Now slip stitch in the top of chain. Now work for round 2. First make 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 chain count as 1 chain space. Now skip 2 stitch and make single crochet. So this is the first space I have made. Now make the second one. Make 3 chain, skip 2 stitch and make single crochet. Make 3 chain, skip 2 stitch and make single crochet. So let's see the pattern again. Make 3 chain, skip 2 stitch and make single crochet. So here I have to make all the spaces. So here in the end I have completed the round. So here in the last I have made 3 chain. Now make single crochet in this 3 chain space. So now let's move to round 3. So now make the V stitch. First make 3 chain, then make this 3 chain count as 1 double crochet. Now make 1 double crochet in same chain space. So here I have got 2 double crochet. Now make 2 chain and make 2 double crochet in same chain space. 1 and 2. Make 2 double crochet in next stitch. 1 and 2. Make 2 chain. Make 2 double crochet in same chain space. 1 and 2. So let's see the pattern again. Make 2 double crochet in next chain space. 1 and 2. Make 2 chain, then make 2 double crochet in same chain space. So continue up to end. So here I have completed the third round. Now in the last slip stitch in this top of chain, 1 2 and 3 in this third chain. Now work for round 4. This is last round. Now make the petal. So first make one chain and make single crochet in this gap. Then make 7 double crochet in the chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. Make 7 double crochet in this chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. Make 7 double crochet in this 3 chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So let's see the pattern again. Make 7 double crochet in this chain space. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Now make single crochet in this double crochet gap. So continue up to end. So here I have completed all the petals. Now in the last slip stitch in this very first single crochet, now give a knot, pull the yarn and cut the extra yarn. Secure this yarn with a needle, or you can give a knot like this. Then cut the extra yarn. So this is the coaster. Thanks for watching.